Hey, it's Michael Saul with the Stock Market Trading Watch List for Tuesday, November 15th, 2011. So let's take a look at the major indexes. It's not going to be a long video tonight because didn't really do much on the day. Formed an inside day. We are still below that 78.6% retracement. So is it possible that we can push down? Yeah, but we have the 20 EMA right here. We also have this trend line coming up. So I'm going to look for that to be potential support. If we see early weakness on Tuesday, I'm going to be watching for these support levels to hold and look for a turnaround Tuesday kind of day. Now, I'm not going to fight it. If we're screaming down with high volume and terrible breath, then I'm going to watch what we do here, and if it breaks, then I'm going to be looking to go with, okay? So, just the roadmap for now. NASDAQ 100, I performed the best, only lost 0.6 of a percent. Down below the 78.6% retracement here, so this is still messy. The Russell performed the worst, down 1.5%, but still inside the triangle here. All right, go through the sectors real quick, see if anything sticks out. I haven't even looked at them because it was mostly a boring, choppy-like day. Okay, it's the banks. I mean, they were down nearly 2.5%, tested this lower trend line, but did hold. Got the 50-day right below it. Brokers, yeah, still not looking nice. Not looking nice. Would like to see the brokers and financials turn. The cyclicals looking okay though. Right, nice little inside bar at the top of the range. XLB, take a look at that. A little doji day. Biotechs, yeah, lame. Not looking so hot. Look at the drugs. We didn't look at them yesterday. Okay, man, inside day. But the transports, 200-day moving average right here. Could bust through it. Be a good sign. How about the Utes? The two Utes, as they say in, what was that movie? Oh, boy, I'm getting old. I forget even Joe Pesci movies now. All right, Utes look like they're in a triangle here. Let's see if they can get a break. All right. So you still have resistance up here. My cousin Vinny, thank you. All right, AI, GLD, sorry. All right, GLD still looks like it wants to try to kick up here. I've got to wait for confirmation on all these. Just because they look like they're in these little triangles or these little continuation patterns or even stealth continuation patterns, still have to wait for confirmation. Okay, silver doesn't look that great. Still below the moving averages here. Okay, oil, OIL, above the 200-day there. OIH, hasn't broken yet. I like the pullback here. I'll held the 20. Let's see if this can get cooking here to the upside. Apple. And I want to watch this 78.6% retracement. A lot of people now are going to start watching for the 200-day. This comes in before that. Now, I don't use these as exact levels. All right, I use the levels to see if we form a pattern here on an intraday chart, even a 60-minute chart. And I don't say, oh, we're at the level, it's time to buy. Sorry, could easily rip through it and go to that 200-day, which can rip through and go to this 100% retracement of this swing. But I start getting interested as we approach this, and I want to see what we're doing intraday. Could offer a nice trade. All right, and if it fails, right, it could offer a nice trade to the downside. Amazon, yeah, 50-day moving average. I mean, this is kind of a little continuation from Friday, but couldn't stick. Watch that 50-day. Google, I mean, still looks like it wants to test those highs up there. Just don't know if it's going to be exhausted by the time it gets there. Baidu's trying to come out of this pattern here. Cena, not looking good here. Not looking good here. So we need some expansion from here, or it's vulnerable to the downside, in my opinion. Sohu, also looking not so sharp, looking weak. AIG, somebody wrote in, wanted me to look at. Nothing special here. That's right around these moving averages with a downtrending 289 above it. Okay, DD. Yeah, 200-day moving average resistance, not looking so bad. Disney, full disclosure, as I like to give on these videos, I think my two oldest sons owned Disney stock. They were gifts when they were born, or some event. I'm not looking to sell the shares here, but I may at any time. But I'm not, not sitting here going, buy into my 40 shares. Or I'm sorry, I'm not doing that right now. And we're below the 200-day moving average, and they were bought as gifts, so I'm probably going to hang on to them for quite a while until they're looking to sell them. Hopefully when Disney goes to 10,000, which doesn't look like it's going to be in my lifetime. But anyway, so fading in a little bit here. You got support at 35.46, and then you got the gap fill at 34.64. Okay, UTX. 200-day, still the boss there. All right. So looked at some stocks, looked at some sectors and indexes quick. Still waiting to see if that triangle breaks. I'd like to see early weakness and perhaps a buying opportunity there for a turnaround Tuesday type of day. But we'll see what happens. Not going to fight it. All right. This is a real broad roadmap. Market has to conform with what I'm looking at, for me to get aggressive there. All right. That's it. Talk to everybody again on Wednesday. Have a great trading day Tuesday.